BC Door Guy here. We arrived on site here today to get this door meshed up. Thievery is a huge issue here in the city, so it's important to have your parkade gate secure. They've had issues here in the past with people cutting pickets on the door and breaking in. With a sheet of mesh and some tubing added, it prevents anybody from reaching inside and creates a grid with the pickets. The diamond aluminum mesh becomes very sharp when it's cut as well. That should deter people from cutting a hole and trying to reach inside. The edges are like razors. I've sliced myself pretty good in the past on those edges. It sure is satisfying to look at a freshly meshed up door though.